Hello, let me quickly walk you through something very interesting, especially if you're thinking about real estate investment in Gurgaon. But before we talk about the project, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. India today is one of the fastest growing major economies in the world. You can see it everywhere: rising incomes, rapid urbanization, and massive infrastructure development. Because of this, real estate has become one of the most stable and reliable asset classes. And as India moves towards a $5 trillion economy, metro cities are expected to see strong and consistent growth. Now coming to Gurgaon. Gurgaon is not just growing, it's evolving into a global city. Over the next 5 years, a lot is going to change here. For example, sectors 74A and 75A are expected to see the development of Cyberhub-2, which will bring in more businesses and jobs. At the same time, metro connectivity is expanding significantly. Almost 100 kilometers of new metro lines are planned. There's also the Global Millennium City project coming up across sectors 36B, 37A, and 37B, spread over around 1,000 acres. This is going to completely transform the area into a modern business and lifestyle hub. On top of that, the rapid metro expansion under the Namo Bharat initiative and the upcoming Global Convention Center will further boost Gurgaon's position on the global map. Now let's zoom into Sector 80 because this is where things get really interesting. Sector 80 is one of those locations that is still under the radar, but not for long. What makes it special is that the land is developed by HSVP, which means better planning and long-term reliability. You get wide roads, 30 meters and 24 meters, which may sound simple, but it makes a huge difference in day-to-day living and future infrastructure. Also, land acquisition here has been done through the government, so there's a strong level of transparency and trust. Another big advantage is the surrounding environment. You have Karma Lakeland nearby, which adds a premium green lifestyle feel to the entire area. And importantly, only reputed developers are coming here. Names like Eldeco, Ashiana, and Trehan are already present in the vicinity. Currently, prices are around 17,000 to 19,000 per square foot, and they are expected to grow steadily. In fact, just opposite in Sector 78, projects are already launching at similar price points, which shows the market confidence in this belt. Now let's talk about the developer behind this project, Conscian Group. They've been in the industry for over 40 years, so this is not a new or unknown name. They've also worked with global players like Hines, a US-based company, and together they've delivered premium developments like One Horizon Center and Priom. For this project, Elaira Residences, they've partnered with NCC Limited and Benoit from the UK, a globally known architectural firm behind projects like Westfield London and Ferrari World Abu Dhabi. So from a credibility and design perspective, things are very strong here. Elaira Residences is coming up in Sector 80, offering 3 and 3.5 BHK premium apartments. The design is modern, the finishes are high-end, and the overall planning is very well thought out. The project is located in HSI IDC Greenville and is surrounded by the Aravali range, which means you actually get better air quality compared to most parts of Gurgaon. In terms of amenities, everything you expect is there: clubhouse, swimming pool, landscape gardens, fitness facilities, all designed for a comfortable lifestyle. Pricing is around 15,000 per square foot, which is quite competitive when you compare it with nearby sectors already touching higher levels. Connectivity is also a strong point. You're close to places like Karma Lakeland Golf Course, Tarudang Golf Resort, ITC Grand Bharat, Hyatt Regency, major business districts, and even Leopard Trail. Now coming to the most important part, why you should consider working with us. We come with over 25 years of experience in finance and advisory. With a background as chartered accountants and an MBA from IIFT, we focus not just on selling, but on guiding you towards the right investment. We help with financial planning, tax advisory, capital gains planning, and overall investment strategy. Our approach is very simple. We look for opportunities that are low risk but have strong return potential. Every recommendation we give is based on detailed research, from the developer's track record to location strength, pricing, infrastructure growth, and future appreciation. We also look at the broader market and compare real estate with other asset classes like stocks and commodities. So this is not just about buying a property, it's about making a smart, well-informed investment. If you're looking for something that is secure, future-ready, and has strong growth potential, then Conscient Elaira Residences in Sector 80 is definitely worth considering. Thank you.